In the previous video, we learned about what sets are and how they're different from lists and tuples. Today, we are going to learn how do you access items in a set. Now, here's the catch. Unlike lists or tuples, sets are unordered and unindexed, which means you can't use index numbers like set, then square brackets and pass an index like 0. But you can still access the items in useful ways. So let's break it all down. For example, if I take a set called anime, and let's say there I have values like One Piece, then Bleach, and then Naruto. Now to access, let's try how we used to access list items. Let's see if that works. So if I write here anime, then pass the index 0 here and run the code, you'll see it prints an error saying set object is not subscriptable. So as I told before, sets do not support indexing because the order is not guaranteed. So we can't say give me the first element because Python doesn't know what first is in a set. So how do we access set items? We use a for loop to go through each item one by one. So let me remove this print statement and I can write a for loop. So the for keyword, then let's take a variable called any in anime, then the colon, and let's try to print any. Now if I run the code, you'll see it prints One Piece, Bleach, and then Naruto. But if I rerun the code, you can see the Naruto is at the first place, then Bleach, then One Piece. If I rerun the code again, you can see again One Piece at the first place, then Naruto, and then Bleach. So in each run, the set data is getting ordered in different ways, differently. So there is no particular order. They are just get executed in a way so the process becomes fast. Behind the scenes, Python takes each element from the set one by one. It assigns the element to the variable any and executes the code inside the loop for each item. This is the standard way to access items in a set. Now we can do membership test. We can check if item exists or not by using the in keyword. So let me remove this code, and what I can do is I can write if Naruto in then the set which is anime, and if that case is true, we can print yes Naruto present in the set. Okay, now if I run the code, you'll see it prints Naruto present in the set. But here if I write Jujutsu Kaisen and run the code, you can see it prints nothing. You can write the else part here, and there you can tell that not available. So if you run the code now, you'll see it prints not available. That means Jujutsu Kaisen is not present in the anime set. Now the question is, if they are not indexed and properly organized, why we use them? Because sets are fast and efficient. This is one of the biggest strengths of sets. Why is it fast? Because sets are hashing internally. Checking for membership in it is much faster than a list or tuple, especially with large data sets. Now you can write like this as well. You can write the print statement and then check if Bleach in anime. So it will print true. As you can see, it prints true. That means Bleach is there in the anime set.